Hey, so how to use photo animation filter on TikTok? So the idea of this filter is similar to what there was like a MyHeritage app. So it brings photos to life. So if you just upload a photo or take your selfie, or even in real time use this filter on real people, it kind of makes the old photos moving and it adds like animation to them. So it's really amazing effect. So just go to Discover tab in TikTok and search for photo animation effect. Usually in the top you will see the effect and you can just start creating videos. So I'll just show you an example how it works. So
Let's
here
see
is
if.
the creator.
Okay, let's do something a little. Grown up. Sebastian, CL.
And then you can see that you just like hovering on some like photo. In this case it's like anime photo, and then it just starts moving. So yeah, for some reason I don't see this filter displayed in my search, probably because I just have older iOS. But for example, if I would use any other filter, for example, I'll just search for it, then you will see something like this. Then you can just add to your favorites, or you can just start creating in the bottom. Just start creating in the bottom, upload photo, and then yeah, here you can just use effect, and then you can just use on your favorites and just start using that filter either on uploaded photo or on your selfie or some other people photos and stuff like that. So that's how it works. Hope it was helpful.